Hey everyone, if you ever picked up knitting, you know the struggle. Your ball of yarn is rolling all over the place. This is what my wife told me. And I wanted to design her a yarn butler. There's so many yarn butler online, but I want to walk you through mine. So this is the first version. And my goal was pretty straightforward. I wanted the yarn to unwind smoothly as you work. And it did the job. It wasn't perfect. It turned out it was a little bit too short to stack two ball of yarns. It's okay, but it's not long enough. And big problem is that it kept sliding around the table. And so I spent a lot of time figuring out how to make it grip the table better. First, I tried using silicone rings. They were pretty cheap, but installing them was a pain. I had to glue them into little holes I designed, and they just wouldn't stay in place. And on top of that, the print needed a lot of messy support material. I knew there had to be a better way. This next version, the pink version, this time I switched to rubber feet that screw right into the base, no more glue. And I also had a spot for the Otter Knitter logo, but it looked a little bit too plasticky. The edge just didn't feel polished enough. So this version, this Galaxy Blue from Polymaker, I changed the shape to have a convex side, which makes it look way more refined. I made it taller so we can stack more yarn, but it still isn't too bulky to take with you. And the best part, it still comes apart into two separates, older if you like working with multiple colors. For the last version, I wanted to make it feel truly professional. Now I'm using brass inserts. I heat them with a soldering iron and press them right into the base. This let me use smaller M4 screws, which means the base can be thinner and use a lot less filament. I also borrowed a cool micro feature to make it stronger. I designed an X-shaped structure inside that pivots. This makes them super strong. So you really have to try hard to break this one. So I'm still making little tweaks, but I'm finally happy with how it's printing on my Creality K2 Pro. The finish feels nice and smooth. The spin is perfect, and my wife is already selling them at her local yarn shop. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.